Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone in the world. It's me, Ryan, and I'm back with a decent recap. So today was a really good day, actually. It like NIO did the same thing as yesterday. As you can see, if you go back to my recap from yesterday, it did exactly the same move. It sells off, and then it was really strong after that. So actually, I have a line. I was kind of like long bias at this one because why I have a thick line at 1950. It's a round number, a 50 cent area, and there's another round number here at 19. And it said it if it holds 1950, I'm gonna uh, if it goes above 1950, I'm gonna have it long, and yeah, risk probably this area here. So but the thing is, it opened really weak. Volume is about 2.7 million. Yep, 2.7 million in the first candle, 1.2 million in the second candle. Yeah, it was just really, it was just selling off at the first minute. And then, yeah, as you can see here, there's like a level here that's being maintained. That's why that was my level, whether I should enter short and long. But I'm kind of a long bias actually on this one. So yeah, even like I did hit my goal here. I even stopped trading after this. I even stopped recording after this, and I said it looks like it's gonna break 1950 as planned, and then that's why I took it long here. I was risking somewhere here, but when I saw that it's really holding, I added because I just want to risk somewhere at 19 below VWAP 1930 area or something. So instead of risking here, I risk here. That's why I added, and yeah, it went great. It really worked. I have a small ad here, out, and yeah, I'm down for the day. So it's great. Uh, I didn't have this recorded because I stopped recording, like I said, and this was not really a planned trade. I was just going to risk a little bit of my profit, and yeah, it worked great. Let's watch. As you can see here, let's fast forward this a bit. In my list, I have NIO, work, and actually, I was just watching CCL, but I didn't really want to trade CCL. Even work, I didn't want to trade, but I just put them in my list because I don't have anything actually. But I focused actually on NIO. So as you can see here, I'm watching NIO. Let's fast forward this a little bit. So it's kind of hovering around 1950. So that's the level that I was actually watching that I thought it's gonna break. So I was actually expecting for it to break since it's a gap up stock. I thought it's really gonna break and volume will come in at the first minute. As you can see here, there's not much of a volume, but as you can see on work, let's rewind this a little bit. Work has like 1.1 million volume, but it's too extended already. It made about 40 cents. That's why I didn't really want to trade it. And then I said, should I chase work? Should I chase work? That's about 50 cent move, but I didn't chase it. And after looking at it, I saw NIO had volume. Volume came in around, I can't remember which side, but volume came in 2.5 million. Immediately I shorted before the candle closes. I was risking high of 1950, so that's about 20 cent risk. Risking 20 cent risk, taking small partials 10% because I'm a bit too far from VWAP. I said I'm gonna just take small partial and probably get out and re-enter somewhere here just in case. But good thing I did not get stopped. So that was really good. Let's go here. So it's kind of like my DAS was kind of lagging at this time, so I don't really know what's really happening. But yeah, it went well. There you go. That's the 1-to-1 that I was hoping for. It's lagging. My price is lagging. There it goes. So I took 25% in there. My DAS is lagging at this. When I saw that it's gonna break 19, there's a huge order in there. That's where I focused on my hotkeys now. I said it's gonna break 19, and previous day close is 1903. I see orders. It's gonna probably go maybe 20 cents more. Come on. Das is acting weird actually, so I took some more off. See that lag? That's crazy. So I said, I don't know what's really happening with Das, but yeah, that's a really good trade. Took another 25% here. Probably get all out. I would probably think to get all out when it dumps one more. I should have taken some more in here, but I don't know why I'm not taking profit. Come on, yep, took more profit in there. Take that, yeah. So I'm almost all out here with my shares. That's a really good move. About 50-cent move. Crazy. 70 cent from what's the move now? It's NIO. It made about 75 cents. Yeah, it's crazy. So I was just basing my decision on this level 1950, and yeah, imagine even if you trade 50 cents, you can get a 50-cent move from here. 1-to-1. I try to at least cover in 1-to-1 now because I've been missing a lot of good profits in 1-to-1. So after taking 10% in 1-to-1, I'll take 25%. The 2-to-1, I'll take another 25%. And yeah, if it doesn't continue, I'm gonna take most of it. I still see orders here, but I'm almost all out. Yeah, it's kind of lagging. That's so weird. So average is 1930. You see that? And I was just risking high of this candle. Really good move. CCL is actually going to have a great move as well. As you can see here, this is probably where you want to take it long to break of this thick line that I did. And work is kind of just hovering around. So yeah, good thing I did not trade work. Imagine if I chase that, it's gonna be a really bad trade. So let's look at CCL. CCL looks good. So yeah, let's go back. So I was actually thinking of adding here, just risking probably 925. So I added here because there's like the, I'm not really low of day, but there's like a level here that I draw. So, and I think there's volume in that area as well. But I was just willing to risk whatever I have left. I was gonna take profit 19 to low of day again, but there you go. I was gonna risk just the high of that candle. Let's fast forward this a bit. Yeah, and I got stopped. So there you go. That's about it. There's nothing really much today's recap. So after that, my video is going to end now. Yeah, I actually just stopped trading because it's not a bad day. That's my strategy. I trade the open and that's it. Once I'm done, I'm done. And yeah, and probably focus on the day. Do nothing. I have work in a few minutes, and yeah, it's been great. So I wish I recorded this part, but sorry I did not. And yeah, I thought I was going to stop trading. So it's about what time is it when I traded? $9:40, $9:50 area. Yeah. So as you can see here, I'm all out, no more trades. And yeah, so if you like my video, if you're learning something, come on, we should all be trading 1 minute orbs. It's the best. All you need is levels to trade off and volume that comes in, and trade the 1 minute orb. Easy as that. I've been trading this for so long now, and then I've been very consistent. I make money as well out of 1 minute orb. And yeah, I mean, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works, but most of the time it works. So that's a good. If it works 70% of the time, then that's great. Or 80% of the time. That's the only one. That's the only thing we need for us to make money, actually. So yeah, NIO has been great. And yeah, 1 minute orb, and after that, trade smaller sizes like this one. Yeah, so you don't risk all of your profit. You can do that as well. I've been wanting to learn how to do reversal trades as well, like this, but yeah, I'm still not really good at it. I try to do that sometimes, but I think I need to be in a full-time trader for me to be able to trade reversals. But yeah, so that's it. Have a good day, everyone. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll help you out if I know the answer. Cheers.